Renault Clio navigation removal, how to remove the unit from the car in case you want to replace the touch panel or the LCD screen, or to do any repairs, or to be able to see the serial number to calculate the radio code. So start from the bottom, just pull gently. You have some clips that hold this fascia in place. There are no screws, and when it's coming off, just tilt it on the side and you will have 4 screws, and then the unit will come out. So this is how you remove the head unit off from the car. If you need LCD screen or touch panel, please get in touch with us. We'll be more than happy to help you.